Hello and welcome everybody to this Frequentis webinar about remote towers, brought to you by Frequentis and ATC Networks. So let's talk remote towers now. Remote towers rely on the concept of ATC virtualization. That means providing location-independent ATC services, such as virtual centers for ACCs or remote towers in the case of airports. A lot of ANSPs and airports consider this concept in their investment plans, tackling the efficiency issues. While small airfields with little traffic might be good testbeds to verify the early concepts, mid-sized airports pose a real challenge.
I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with the very first certified operational remote tower service, which began in northern Sweden in April last year at Ornsköldsvik. Here we have a picture. This shows the tower-mounted high-definition cameras at the airport, which relay the out-of-the-window view to the remote centre, which is located 150 kilometres away at Sundsvall. This facility has already accumulated over 4,000 hours of operation, and the Swedish service provider, LFV, is in the process of expanding the centre to handle more airports remotely, including Sundsvall and Linköping, and has also announced plans for a second centre to support remote digital operations for 5 further airports, 2 in the south and 3 in the north, controlled from a central facility near Stockholm, Arlanda.
All right, my cohort, Clyde Rinken and myself, Marty Louth, we're currently in Daytona Beach, Florida, enjoying some sunshine today. We'll be talking about some of the remote virtual towers, some of the research aspects, and our perspective is going to be maybe a little more from the U.S. side of things.
Why is Embry-Riddle involved in remote tower technology? We think that partnerships across government, industry, and academia can help to transform the remote tower concept, and that we can provide maybe unbiased research for scholarly activity, looking at the details of what's occurring within the remote tower concept.
Hi everybody, my name is Conor Mullen and I work at Think Research. We're independent consultants, and we've been working on remote towers now for, I'd say, 6 or 7 years. Began in, like lots of people, in Northern Europe with LFE, and have since worked on other projects both within Europe and worldwide. And I'm going to talk a little bit today about the business case for remote towers. So first of all, we need to distinguish, really. Remote towers is one of those concepts that appears to come out of nowhere. And so some people call it a disruptive technology, some people not so much. But what that does, and especially when it's something like remote towers, which is very visual, very tangible, it creates a very firm impression in people's minds about what exactly the concept is. And today I want to go a little bit beyond it. So first I'll talk about what we see today as the perception of remote towers from a business case point of view.